Hey everybody, welcome to Mike and May's Great Adventure.
Hello guys.
As promised in the last video.
Good evening, because this is the time is what at 6 p.m. already or not yet?
6:28 p.m.
Yeah, so
Mountain
it's
time.
so good evening.
Yeah, we've done a couple videos on this, but you know what? It's mine and May's favorite section in the whole country to drive.
Yeah, the Hoover.
So we're doing a video again. If you don't like it, don't watch it.
Anyway, guys, we are
12 miles.
close to Nevada. No, I mean Las Vegas, right?
We're real close to Nevada. Well, we cross the river down here, and then we're in Nevada. I don't know. I love this down through here. I wouldn't want to live here, but I sure like driving through and seeing it. It's amazing to me. I don't know how the pioneers ever got through here. They figured it out.
We are closer to the whole Hoover.
I think if you shine out my side right down here, I think you can see the river.
No.
Are you sure? I think so.
Look at that car over there.
Well, you can almost see the river. I was almost right. We're going to stop at a place called Railroad Junction Travel Plaza, or Railroad Travel Plaza, or Railroad Crossing Travel Plaza, something like that. I did a video one time. It was my first trip out here after May got out of the truck. If you guys remember, I was depressed because I was talking about how much May would love the view I had. It sucks not having May with me.
Speed warning.
Oh, now guess what? I'm going to pull in that truck stop. May's going to be with me.
Yes.
Thanks to Towaway.
I love the sunset, honey.
Yeah. It's our first time through here with this.
Speed warning.
With the sunset.
Closer to the Hoover.
Right.
Hoover?
Get Hoover down. Strong crosswinds possible 3 miles ahead. Is this the river?
Speed limit reduced
I think
ahead.
we're always ready to cross the river, and then all we do is cross a big valley with nothing down below it, and then the next bridge is the river. Is definitely the latest we've ever come up through here. I think we're going to get to the truck stop just before dark.
I think so. Yeah. Oh, there's next guy.
And I think May and I are going to go. There's a casino beside the truck stop. I think we're going to go in there and have dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. It's the next bridge. This one's just over top on the road.
What?
What's that on the right? Is that part of Hoover? I can't remember. It's been a while since we've been
I
out
think
there.
so. No, it's on that side. That's the Hoover. You can see here. You cannot see from here.
Yeah. The next bridge, that's where you see everything. I think that's the one side of Hoover Dam, but you can't see the water from there. We climb that hill and they can shoot backwards to the lake.
The Hoover over there.
Yeah, that's crazy how deep the water used to be down there. You can see where the walls are white.
You cannot see here, but this next.
Speed warning.
The
Should
next
be able to see it right down over here now. see that it's white. The water used to be that deep.
Crossing border, entering Nevada.
And so
Change
many
time
more
zone.
houses up Nevada.
Nevada!
Ta-da!
Welcome back again, honey, to Nevada.
Thank you, sweetheart. Welcome to you. Welcome to Nevada, baby. Henderson's where we're delivering, which is 10 miles before Las Vegas. So we may, this truck stop, they have a lower lot. It's long-term parking. We're going to look into that. We may be able to let the truck there, take an Uber into Vegas, enjoy ourselves all day and evening, and then
Right curve
bring the
ahead.
Uber back out.
Yeah.
I don't think you have to pay to leave it there long term. They just have the lots down a decent distance away from the truck stop, which is nice. They actually do something for truck drivers that doesn't cost you anything. They probably offer you a ride to Vegas for $100. That's probably where they get their money back.
There's another view again, honey.
Yeah. Up here's where Susie always gets confused because she doesn't know this new roads here. We always take the new bypass around and then
I think if we go to the Hoover, honey, we can take that road down.
to the Hoover.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. If we had a car, we could go on any of these roads. I don't know for bobtailing, maybe we're allowed, but I'm not sure.
Speed limit reduced ahead.
Over there's
That's a hotel.
Boulder City. To the right. Okay, here's the part now. Susie wanted us to go that way. Drive off the highway down through there.
That's the Hoover Casino.
I had to concentrate for a minute there. Yeah, this is all new. And it's been like this for years, but somehow Rand McNally, the biggest maker of maps in the world, doesn't know that there's a new highway here. So Susie, the whole way out through here, thinks we're driving through the desert. She keeps trying to get me to get back over to the road. Should be able to see Lake Mead. There it
The
is.
lake.
It's astonishing how deep it used to be. Just that many more houses and businesses drawing water. It's still deep. I mean, it's still really deep. But wherever you see that white is where the line used to be. I think from here you can get a real good view back. I think.
Not really.
Maybe it's coming down the hill. You can see it good from there. We love it. It's our favorite place to drive.
Yes, it's beautiful.
Maybe Sunday we'll bring an Uber over to Hoover down back. We're kind of halfway between Vegas and Hoover Dam.
Yeah.
Should just see how much a car costs to rent.
Yeah.
Or get right beside Fluffy Face at the truck stop.
Gonna end this video?
Yep, I think so. As we go to the tunnel, so does the sands of time. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please subscribe, comment, share, and like. Well, until next time.
Take care. Bye,
Proceed to the
guys.
highlighted route.